Hello Manjaro community, welcome to a new episode of Manjaro Inside. Let's talk about the PineBook. It's an 11-inch white laptop made of plastic coming from Pine64 from California. It has an ISO keyboard, 11-inch monitor and a nice touchpad below. On the side we have an USB headphone jack and an SD card slot. And on the other side we have a power plug, another USB and a mini HDMI. But I think you don't come for this. You come for that one here. The new Pine64 Pro from 2019. And today we do an unboxing of it. So we have it here from DHL. It came today. So inside we have, as usual, the yellow material. Let's open it up to see what is inside. We have a box and the power supply plus a serial port USB port so we can hack on it. This is the power supply. As you can see here, it is in two parts. So this is the plug for US. It should fit in any US plug. And also what is working for us as developers, we have here the serial USB adapter, so we can remotely hack on it. It has here a plug and normal USB. The main thing here is the packaging is a little bit different than the last time. We have here boxes to unwrap. So it comes in 2-layer boxes and a nice packaging, as you can see here. So let's get rid of all of that and unbox the device itself. Here you have it, alloy. It looks really slim and solid, not as the first series of the PineBook. So here you have a real quality. It is heavy and nice looking. On the sides we have here the mini HDMI and USB and the plug for the earphones. On the other side a micro SD and a new USB, which is USB-C as of here. So it also charges on the USB-C or the regular power supply as you have it before, and 14-inch matte display, an ISO keyboard which is really nice and a good feeling on the touchpad. So in the next episode we will boot it up with Manjaro Linux on the mainline kernel to see what we get of it and some close-ups. So I hope you enjoyed this video so far, unboxing this device, and see you soon.